How to delete Threads account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can delete Threads account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Threads app. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now, you can go to the bottom right corner on your profile icon. Then you should be on your profile. Tap on the two lines on the top right. And right here you can find an account option. Tap on account. And after you tap on it, there on the top you'll find deactivate or delete profile. Head over there and there you can see deactivating your profile is temporary while deleting is permanent. And there are two options at the bottom. Tap on delete profile and all you have to do is enter up your password and tap on delete Threads profile and your account will be deleted. And it's that simple. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.